good evening. Today is another day. We want to show you how we fix the design pillar, which we have shown you how we have shown you how we mold them on the ground. And I remember I do promise you that when we are fixing it, I'll let you see. That's the pillar up there now. That's Mr. Peter, the man with the magic hands with pillar designs, parapets, and window cover. So as you can see right now, um, he has already stand the pillars. So what next you want to do now is to brace them together and set them to be straight. And we will be using plumb to do that. As you can see, the pillars are standing. You see when he was molding the cap, that's the cap underneath. That's what we use it for. We're still on it. That's Mr. Victor alias Abo of Imo State, yes. From Imo State of Nigeria. He's forming the wall. Right now, where Mr. Peter is doing the casting to fix the pillar designs and make sure all of them stand straight, like what you can see right here. And what he's doing now is to cast it with the 12 mm iron rod, as you can see. Then after the casting, we leave it for a day to set. And he will put the cap, what we call pillar cap. Okay? So after the pillar cap, we now do the beam. There's another beam that is coming on top of it that will hold them, chain them together to make them stand very firm and strong. If you see, a concrete mixing ratio is very solid to make it more strong. Right, guys, please, as we always said, if you just coming across our video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, keep sharing, like, share, and comment. Give us the thumbs up. That's the energy for us to keep moving on. Mr. Peter is still on it. Let's interview Mr. Peter a little bit. Mr. Peter, we see you designing these pillars the other time, and this time we want you to explain what you are doing at the moment.
Good afternoon, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see, the last time I spoke with you people was on the 2nd of last month. And today I believe I showed you how I started the precasting of the pillars, which will make it around after 3 days, and then we'll have to lay it in the carpet that will make it to get dry. And after that, you have seen how I started to fix it. Before that, you have to see the cap. This is what we call a round base. This is the down base, the bottom. After you must have fixed the bottom, you give it like 24 hours. The next day, then you have to come and put the pillars on it. You must make sure that you use your line to get you accurate something that you need, so that when anybody sees it, he or she will know that yes, you are there. Then after you must have fixed it, then you have to use a kind of a bonding wire to get all of them together. Then after that, then you have to put concrete to make sure that you get a kind of a solid mixture, so that there will be nothing to worry about the putting a concrete in the pillar. You see the inside with a 12 mm iron steel. Then after you must have put your concrete, then you can give like 1 hour or some hours. When the pillar must have get a little bit dry, then the same cap we put on the bottom here will have another one, but you're gonna turn it upside down. Here the face on the ground. Then for the cap one, the face now will look up to give it a nice shape. After you must have fixed the up cap, that is where the lintel will slip on. Then after that, whenever you see it, then you got to know that yes, we are not performing any kind of a magic. This is what we learned. Thank you, gentlemen. And may you remember
Right,
this.
guys. Thank you so much, Mr. Peter. Guys, you guys have listened to Mr. Peter. He just explain how the work goes. You see the gap, the one he's talking about that is coming on top of it. You guys see when he was molding them. And it's going to fix this one here and turn them upside down. You can see the pillar standing right now. You see when it was molded, and this time it's standing. Stay tuned and keep watching and see how we get done with this project. Thank you.